In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently print receipts using the Shopify Point of Sale, or POS app. Whether you prefer to set up automatic printing or handle each order manually, you'll be fully equipped by the end of this guide. Let's dive right in and explore both methods to make your transaction process smoother. First, let's tackle the automatic printing setup using the Shopify POS app. Start by opening the Shopify POS app on your device. This app is your handy tool for managing in-person sales, and setting it up for smooth operations is crucial for a seamless customer experience. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Home section, and from there, head over to Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for Printed Receipts. This section allows you to tailor your receipt preferences. You'll find a switch labeled Automatically Print Receipts. Simply toggle this switch to the on position. This setting ensures that receipts will print automatically with every transaction, saving you and your customers time. If you operate multiple retail locations, you have the option to apply this setting globally or tailor it for just the current location. This flexibility allows you to manage your receipt printing preferences without hassle across different stores. Now, if you prefer to print receipts manually for specific orders, the Shopify POS app makes this process straightforward too. Start by opening the app and navigating to the Orders section. Here, you'll see a list of all your transactions. Find and select the order for which you want to print a receipt. This direct approach ensures you have absolute control over which receipts are printed. Once you've selected the order, tap Receipt and then Print Receipt. This method is perfect for instances where you'd like more discretion or when you need to reprint a receipt for a specific order. Moreover, let's not forget about printing from the Shopify admin, particularly if you're interested in printing packing slips or keeping records. This is an excellent tool for managing your back-office operations. Begin by accessing your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to Orders, and then select the desired order. You'll typically see a More Actions button. Click on it and choose either Print Order Page for comprehensive record keeping or Print Packing Slip if you're preparing shipments. These options are handy for maintaining organized order records or ensuring accuracy in what you're sending out. By familiarizing yourself with these methods, automatic and manual receipt printing from within the Shopify POS app, as well as utilizing the Shopify admin for packing slips, you can streamline your sales processes effectively. The ability to customize how your receipts are handled not only optimizes your workflow, but also enhances the shopping experience for your customers. Happy selling!